If you do anything creative, like make YouTube videos, paint portraits, or compose your own music, you may want to learn how to copyright your original content. But before you start filling out paperwork, let us show you the basics. This video focuses on how to copyright your content in the United States, and it should not be taken as legal advice. When you create an original work, you automatically own the copyright at the moment you write it down or record it. It may surprise you how quick and easy this can be, but even if you simply draw something on a napkin, you are not required to do anything else to legally possess the copyright. However, registering your work with the U.S. Copyright Office will help you if you ever need to defend it in court. To register content with the U.S. Copyright Office, go to www.copyright.gov to get started. Online registration usually costs between $35 and $55, and you'll have to send a copy of your completed work to the Copyright Office either through the mail or their website. Once your work is registered, it will be added to the Library of Congress. Keep in mind that certain types of content cannot be copyrighted, such as facts, procedures, names, titles, and recipes that only list ingredients. You also can't copyright things like choreography or speeches unless they're saved somehow, like in a video or audio recording. Regardless of what you create, understanding how to copyright your work can help give you peace of mind.
GCF Global, creating opportunities for a better life.